Over 200 million people are infected with a disease you've probably never heard of, and it all involves a freshwater snail. I'm Amelia, a PhD researcher in civil and environmental engineering, and I'm looking to develop a trap for an endemic disease. It's called Schistosomiasis, a freshwater neglected tropical disease related to freshwater snails. The snails release microscopic parasites called cercae into the water. When people use that water for things like swimming, fishing, bathing, the parasites can then enter through the skin. Around 700 million people are at risk worldwide, and it can cause chronic illnesses. The World Health Organization has targeted it for elimination by 2030. Today, I'm in our Roger Perry lab working with infected freshwater snails and seeing if the parasites are attracted to light. If they are, we can build a light trap to capture and count them in the field. First, I'm putting the snail into a beaker under a light source. Then, I'm using a pipette to take the parasite out and see if it is attracted to light. Very few traps have been taken from the lab to the field environment. Mine is the first light trap that has been developed in over half a century. My design uses low-cost materials like recycled plastic bottles and new LED technology. This means it will be simple, cheap, and accessible. The trap will be tested in Brazil, helping policymakers and communities tell where the risk is highest. As an environmental engineer, I look at the whole water system, not just the parasite. This includes the ecology, human behaviour, and water infrastructure. I want to make simple changes that can have life-changing impacts on communities that are often overlooked. Thanks for joining me in the lab today.